Hello guys, welcome to An Academy, largest online e-learning platform. Today I'm going to tell you about the biggest news. Airport Authority of India recruitment. Airport Authority of India has given a notification for 2020 and you need to apply it. So the last date is 14th of January 2021. So before getting into this AAI recruitment 2020 notification, let me tell you about myself. I am Shravan Kumar, having 7 plus years of teaching experience and mentored more than 5K students for GATE and engineering services and cracked GATE. So before that notification, let me tell you simple steps to install an Academy Learning app to get more information and knowledge. So type an Academy Learning app in Play Store and you'll get the installation process. Just click on this. Once you are done with this, if you are opting for GATE and engineering services or IIT JAM, you can click on the respective icons. Then you can click on this plus or iconic and click on this get subscription button. उसके बाद में you can use my YSK10 as code to get the maximum discount. You'll have plus and iconic subscriptions. You can go for iconic to get a dedicated mentor for your preparation. And you have the different payment options of debit card, EMI, UPIs, wallets, and net banking. You can use any of these payments to get subscription to an academy, the largest online e-learning platform. Now, coming to Airport Authority of India has given the recruitment for managers and junior executives in major disciplines. We'll see one by one the official website, the eligibility, important dates, vacancy, salary, exam fees, selection process, and the official notification. Official website would be this one. You can directly click on this and can directly get into Airport Authority of India as well in Google, and you can recruitment board. On recruitment board of AAI you'll find the official notification, and the age limit for this is 32 years as on 30th of November 2020 for managers, and it is 27 years maximum age as on 30th November 2020. And there is also a relaxation. Once I'll open the notification, I'll get to know you. And the eligibility criteria is it's a degree or diploma certificate from a recognized university or a deemed university, and the percentage of marks is also specified as a minimum 60 percentage. The important dates, these are very important for you to note. The start date is 15th of December 2020 and the last date for the application is 14th of January 2021. Just do remember and apply for it. Vacancies given are the manager fire services as 11 post, the manager technical 2 post, junior executive air traffic control 264 post, junior executive airport operations 83 post, junior executive technical 8 post. And the salary is expected to be around 18 lakhs for the post of manager and 12 lakhs approximate for the post of junior executive, and the pay scale is mentioned here. So this is the salary that is specified in the notification, and the exam fees is 1000 rupees to be paid for by the all the candidates. And coming to SC, ST, and female candidates have to pay 170 rupees, 170 only. And person with disabilities and apprentices who have successfully completed 1 year of apprenticeship training in Airport Authority of India are exempted from the payment of fees, any fees, and these fees must be paid only online mode and no other modes are accepted as given in the notification. The selection process is something like an online examination. Then you'll be shortlisted based on the online examination conducted, and you'll be called for the document verification and interview, and based on the post you'll also have the physical measurements, driving test and voice test as well. And the other important point is there are no negative marking for the wrong answers attempted by the candidates. This is the official notification. You can check this notification as well. Then we will have to look at the official notification once. So this is the official notification given by the Airport Authority of India. the managers and junior executives in various disciplines, and the advertisement number 052020. And coming to the vacancies, manager fire services, manager technical, junior executive air traffic, and the qualifications are BE BTech in degree in fire engineering, mechanical and automobile engineering, and manager technical BE BTech in degree in mechanical or automobile, and should have at least 5 years of experience, work experience in executive cadre in field of fire services. And for the manager technical also, you need to have 5 years of work experience in executive cadre in field of government procurement. The total number of posts for manager fire services is 11, and for manager technical is 2, for unreserved it is 6, and for the other categories you can see 1, 3, and 1 for the SC category, and 2 here are completely unreserved category. You also have the junior executive air traffic control, bachelor's degree of 3 years in bachelor of science with physics and mathematics, or bachelor's degree in engineering in any discipline physics mathematics, and should be subjects in any one of the semester curriculum, and no experience is essential for this junior executive air traffic control. And the total number of posts are 264, and they are segregated like this: 107, 26, 72, 40, and 19. And then you have junior executive airport operations. The qualification is graduates in science and MBA of 2 years duration, or bachelor's degree in engineering, and you don't need any prior experience. And the total number of posts are 83. And the junior executive technical, you have BE BTech degree in mechanical or automobile engineering. No experience is essential for this, and the total number of posts are 8. And the number of vacancies is tentative and may increase or decrease. That's also specified. And the number of vacancies may be increased or decreased at the sole discrimination of Airport Authority of India. And you can also check out the eligibility criteria. You must have a degree diploma certificate from a recognized deemed university. Percentage of marks has 60%, as we have discussed earlier. Then then you can see the post identifies suitable for persons with disabilities, PWD score, deaf and hard of hearing, and for the 2 and 5 postcodes, and for 3 acid attack victims subject to medical standards required for ATC license and without major restrictions in muscle movement, and the physical requirements are specified. And for the postcode of 4, deaf and hard of hearing, locomotive disability including leprosy cured, dwarfism, acid attack victims, multi disability from amongst A and B above. And the age limit, as you can see, is specified as 32 years as on 30th of November 2020 for the managers, and for junior executives, it is maximum age of 27 years as on 30th of November 2020. And the upper age limit is relaxable by 10 years for person with disabilities, and 5 years for SC/ST, and 3 years for OBC. The upper age limit is relaxable for 5 years to all the candidates who have originally been domiciled in the state of Jammu and Kashmir during the period of 1980 and 1989, including January and December. Candidate has to provide the certificate for the same. And the upper age limit is relaxable by 10 years for the candidates who are in regular service of Airport Authority of India. And for ex-servicemen, age relaxation is applicable as prescribed by the Government of India, order issued by time to time. And the date of birth as recorded in the matriculation secondary examination certificates will only be accepted. No subsequent request for the change in date of birth will be entertained. And the important dates, as I have told you, the opening of date of online applications is 15th of December 2020, and the last date of online application is 14th of January 2021. And the exam date of is not yet given. Discipline wise will be announced on the website very soon. The remuneration, as I have told you, it's around 18 lakhs for the manager post and 12 lakhs for the executive post. And there are some other instructions that are given, and you can get these informations in this notification. I'm sorry. And the next important is the selection process. Before applying, you must ensure that you fill the eligibility criteria, and based on that you will be called for the online examinations. As you can see here, will be called for an online examination, and there will not be any negative marking for the wrong answers attempted by the candidates that I have told you. And the candidates shortlisted on the basis of their performance on the online will be called for document verification, interview, and physical measurements as we have discussed. And these call letters will be sent to the roll numbers of the candidate shortlisted for document verification will be declared on AI website only. So these are the some of the things that you have to be very careful and read this. And you also have to read the action against the misconduct and how to apply. You need to apply, we'll make a separate video on this, how to apply and how to submit. And the application fee, that I have told you already, is 1,000 rupees for all the candidates, and ACST has to pay 170 only, and the person with disabilities and apprentice of AI has to are exempted from the payment of the fees, and these to be paid online only. And the procedure here is specified, you can read it and it's very easy for you to understand and do that. And there are some instructions that are to be followed while uploading the scanned image of his or her photograph and signature as per the instructions given below. There are some specifications that are given, just follow this. And the application has to sign on white paper with black ink pen, that's very important, and the size is also specified. And based on that, as you have been applying for many examinations, I think it's easy for you to do this. And there are some other general instructions that are given, uh, that you need to, some of them like no TADA will be paid for appearing in the online examinations and all. So this is the Airport Authority of India notification, which is very important, and it's time that you can concentrate and prepare well for your exam. And also you will crack this exam once you are able to get this. And at the end, I would like to tell you India's number one study channels: Creatrix Gate, Unacademy Gate, Unacademy Gate for CE, Unacademy Gate Telugu, Unacademy SSCJA, Unacademy Computer Science, Unacademy Gate Questions, Electrical Junction, Unacademy Engineering Foundation, Unacademy Pathshala. You can subscribe, like, and share this. You can use my code as YSK10 and get 10% maximum discount using this referral code. Like and share if you like this video, and subscribe and press this bell icon. Thank you so much and all the best.